Put your hands together for the newest congresswoman in the 48th district. Give me the hands up for Beth Crom.
In Congress today, there was conflict and chaos. We need discourse, not discord, conveyed from the dais, with leaders who listen, engage, and inspire, not partisan puppets who dance on a wire. Beth Crom's a leader who's proven and seasoned. She's fearless and focused, creative, well-reasoned. She's respected, hardworking, and someone who's willing to be a strong voice and oppose offshore drilling. Endorsed by Sierra Club, Labor, and more. Planned Parenthood and teachers know what she's running for. In tough times like these, we cannot sit by, letting peace like John Campbell hold seats till they die. When the homies they serve are not well served at all, we need Beth Crom in Congress, she'll answer your call. Running strong in a district with a profile that's great. Education, environment, most diverse in the state. We got 4 coastal cities, preserve open space. Great public university, there ain't no better place. With a global perspective where the people are smart and believe in the value of nature and art. Which why it is time for a woman like Crom, who's a teacher, a leader, a fighter, a mom, to defeat Mr. Campbell, who only says no. He co-sponsored the birther bill, man, he's gotta go. Only 435 voices at best, in a time when our country's been put to the test. When this district goes blue for the first time, we'll cheer for what we'll demonstrate. Made perfectly clear is that people are still the most powerful force, and with leaders like Beth, we'll set the right course to make progress, move forward, restore balance and pride, make people our focus, push lobbyists aside. This is your race, the 48th has shifted. When we win it, the orange curtain will finally be lifted right here in this place, known through oceans and sun, where in 2008 Obama actually won. And we will win it too, thanks to people like you, for our district, for America, for the red, white, and blue. We must all stand together to build a future that's bright. In democracy, our leaders must be willing to fight for the people, not corporations, for justice, not greed, for healthcare, our planet, and people in need. It's time to remind folks this is more than a game, with red teams and blue teams who are both kinda lame. Mrs. Crom goes to Washington, that's our campaign. When Beth Crom's elected, DC won't be the same. Let's make history together, so remember the name. Elect Beth Crom to Congress, and let's change the game.